How to get Restyle with AI option on WhatsApp. If you are not having this feature available on your device, what you can do is simply hold on to the app for some time. Now tap on app info icon. Now scroll down a bit and simply go to your storage section. Now simply tap on clear cache and clear data. Now after you clear your data, simply go back and tap on force stop over here, then close the application. Now head over to your Play Store. Then go to the search bar and type in WhatsApp and hit search. Now tap on the WhatsApp. As you can see, an update is available. Simply tap on update. In this way, you will have the latest version of WhatsApp available in your device. For future users, tap on the three vertical lines and tap on enable auto update option so that your app is always up to date. Now after the update is done, simply tap on the open option and try reusing the app, and you'll have the Restyle with AI option when you send your images to your friends. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.